Guys, we get some snow on the way for the weekend, believe it or not.
That's great news, Danielle.
Not much, just minor accumulation here, and it's another really cold start out there this morning. I mean, it's March. We get the countdown, guys. It's Friday. 2 days until daylight saving time begins. Spring begins in just 12 days. Opening day at Fenway Park, 32 days away, in the marathon, 38 days right here on WBZ. Getting pumped for it. Hope training's going well for everybody that's running. Sunrise today, 6:08. Sunset at 5:42. We turn those clocks forward. We spring ahead this weekend, and the sunset's going to go to 6:45. It's going to be nice to have the light darker at least later in the evening. And by 7 p.m. on March 23rd, that's when sunset's going to be. That's the first 7 p.m. sunset, and it's right around the corner. Now, this morning, it's another cold start. We have single-digit wind chill values. Actual temperatures are in the single digits for some of us. It's 6 in Taunton. It's 1 in Keene right now. It's 21 in Boston. A lot of widespread teens in the suburbs. Skies are clear, though, and we are in for sunshine out of the gate. There may be a few high, thin clouds that mix with the sunshine later on today, but that's about it. Now, it's snowing this morning from parts of Kentucky through West Virginia and Virginia. This is with an area of low pressure that's passing well to our south. It will stay to our south, which is good news here. High pressure building in from eastern Canada will provide us with a nice day tomorrow. Temperatures after a cool start in the 20s will rebound to near 40 tomorrow afternoon. And there comes that burst of snow. It moves in Sunday morning, changes over to rain by Sunday late morning to midday. It's out of here, wrapping up by late afternoon to early evening. So let's zoom in, give you a look if you have Sunday plans. So the start time of snow around Worcester will be between about 6 and 7, Boston around 8. Notice it's a burst of snow for everybody, but we do make a transition over to rain, and there'll be some heavy downpours along the south coast to Cape late morning to midday. By 2 p.m., raining in a lot of eastern Massachusetts. The exception may be far northern Mass, northern Essex County, the pink indicating sleet. So if you have, I'd say, Sunday morning to midday plans, travel will be a little bit slow and slick, particularly north and west of Boston. By 4 or 5 o'clock, things are wrapping up. Skies will remain cloudy, but the precipitation will be done. So before the changeover, it's a coating to an inch here for most of eastern Massachusetts. You get up near northern Essex County, back outside of 495, and perhaps to 128. That's where we're talking about 1 to 3, 3 to 6 across far northern New England. High temperatures today, not as cold as the past several. 35 to 40. We'll be around 40 tomorrow, and after the snow changes over to rain, low 40s on Sunday. Monday, starting next week, up near 50. A little cooler Tuesday and Wednesday, and then a chance of showers later on Thursday, but highs will be up around 50 again. Chris? Hi, everyone. I'm meteorologist Danielle Niles. Not as cold as the last couple of days, still below average. But we're making some progress here. High temperatures, upper 30s to around 40, wind chill in the 20s today. Mostly sunny, nice start to the weekend. Seasonable, around 40 at the coast, low 40s inland, wind off the ocean, the pick of the weekend by far, because Sunday we turn sloppy as snow moves in during the morning. Generally from 7 to 9 a.m. start time, Worcester to Boston, give or take. Takes a little longer for the South Shore and Cape and makes a quick transition over. For the rest of us, that rain-snow line slowly works northward during the late morning and early afternoon. So it will be some tough travel Sunday morning to early afternoon, particularly in northern Massachusetts, where it takes longer for us to transition. By 4 p.m., raining for most of us, still a touch of sleet. That's the pink you see indicated on the map. So places like central, western Massachusetts, southern New Hampshire will still hang on to some of that sleep before we change over towards the back end. How much snow before the changeover? Coating to an inch. This is a fairly minor event, but it will be a sloppy Sunday morning. 1 to 3 north and west of Boston. Amounts will ramp up. The farther north you go with 3 to 6, the jackpot across northern New England. We'll keep you posted on the timing and the exact amounts over the next 24 hours here. Otherwise, next week looks pretty quiet and milder. We'll be near 50 on Monday. Little cooler again on Tuesday and Wednesday, but back up near 50 with the chance of a rain shower later on Thursday. Have a wonderful weekend. We'll see you again on Monday morning.